I have been creating content using my phone, and short touches really comes in hand when you're doing this type of content. On this video, I'm going to show you how to enable short touches on your mobile device, so stick around. When you are doing a tutorial on your phone, you want to show your viewers what you are really doing, but short touches is not on your phone. Is there any other place that short touches is found? Let me know in the comment section. On this video, I'm going to show you a new method of enabling short touches on your mobile device in your setting area. Now go into your setting panel, search about my phone or system. Normally it is at the bottom of the setting panel. Mine is system. I'm going to click it. Now click on about my phone at the bottom. After that, look for build number and click build number 7 times. After you have clicked 7 times, it will tell you you are now a developer. Click on the navigation panel once and then search for developer option. While you are on the developer option, scroll until you see short taps or short touches. Mine is short taps and I'm going to put it on, and voila, that's how you put your short touches on if you have searched for your short touches on your setting panel and it is not visible. Give this video a thumbs down. Don't subscribe into my YouTube channel. Let's continue creating as I simplify your creation. See you on the next video, and my name is Brisley.